about a, a designer style in there. I have to change those, and hopefully it will work with Desenio. Looking forward for a change of art. So I'm still waiting for the frame from Amazon, because Amazon but bit cheaper than Desenio's frame, but hopefully it will fit. So looking forward to it. So really going to open up, unbox this posters from Desenio. Mind you, this is not a paid sponsored, okay? So let's have a look. So we got posters. My first time to order them. Unfortunately, it is rolled like this, so maybe pisha, but it's okay. We'll see. Said thank you. So we'll see. From us to you, filled with love. Shared your wall art with us so we can find you. Okay. So let's see. Ang cover niya. So ayan, Chin Chin, you can have it. Look at Chin Chin. He'll go everywhere he wanted to. He will go everywhere where I put all the bazuras or bins. Okay. All right, Chin Chin. So yeah, we'll continue unboxing this, or should I say open up. Wow. So apparently the paper is just a poster paper. So I don't know what's expensive. It's a bit expensive though. But if you're lucky that you can have a percent off, then like mine, I bought it a bit cheaper. See, Chanel. He's gone crazy. You like Desenio, want to remove his sticker. There's a sticker in there. I wanted to remove. So anyway, oops. So this is Chanel. Second is Prada. Nice. My husband loves this. And I bought this specific cheaper version of like boho style. I'll probably use one of the frames somewhere. So we'll see that. These are the small frames, which is the mojito frame. Maybe I'll use one of those old frames we got. Hopefully it works. Then we got lemons. This is all for the kitchen. And then this is, I think, one of the rooms there. Chanel, which is cute. Then we got big posters, or I should say medium poster, which is this pretty one, which I catching my eye on it online. Mind you, Desenio is an online shop. I can probably link the description box below or post it in here so that you can see. I don't know if you are, maybe you can, if you're from the Philippines, I think you may able to order it. In here in UK, like in US, you can, because it's, I think, European a business. I'm not quite sure. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. So anyway, this is the flowers, like a, how do you call this now? Oh, I forgot the rose. It's not a rose. It's I'll tell you the name later on. But it's beautiful. So, and the last one is this one big frame or poster, which is the Paris. So, yeah. So mind you, if you want to have a cheaper version, you may probably look for a cheaper version of Desenio, but I'll try this Desenio as the others are saying. So hopefully it will work. But for now, let's have a look kung ano yung mga available na frames na pwede nating gamitin sa mga small ones. Catch you later. Oh, I tried to reuse the frame kasi maganda. It's a gift anyway, so I'm keeping this. Apparently, it's not the same as yan. So I make a little bit of like this, and lalagay ko lang siya dito. Nagkat ako ng piece. Then I will put it somewhere here para it will be okay to see. Hindi siya, wala siyang gap. Aayusin ko lang, pero parang wala na siyang gap. So yeah. A little hack from me.